Meaning of Hades.
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 Hades. Hades is a term from Greek mythology referring to both the god of the underworld and the underworld itself. In Greek mythology, Hades was the ruler of the dead and controlled the realm of the underworld. The underworld was also called Hades. It was believed to be a dark, gloomy place where the dead were judged and spent eternity. The concept of Hades has been influential in many aspects of Western culture, including literature, art, and religion. The term Hades continues to be used today to describe gloomy or dark places and situations.